step into the enchanting world of ecosystems, where nature becomes our greatest teacher. These living classrooms have a profound way of imparting invaluable lessons on coexistence and sustainability. Within their harmonious embrace, we discover the intricate web of life and the importance of nurturing our planet. Ecosystems are more than mere landscapes, they are intricate tapestries woven by the hands of Mother Nature herself. Each element, from the towering trees to the smallest microorganisms, plays a vital role in maintaining balance and harmony. As we immerse ourselves in these natural wonders, we are reminded of the beauty that lies in diversity and interconnectedness, in the depths of a lush rainforest. We witness the perfect symphony of plants, animals, and insects, each relying on one another for survival. The towering trees provide shelter for countless creatures, while the vibrant flowers lure in pollinators with their sweet nectar. Here, we learn the power of collaboration and the significance of every individual's contribution to the greater whole. Ecosystems teach us the art of coexistence, where different species peacefully cohabit and thrive together. The predator and prey dance in a delicate balance, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, harmony can be achieved. The lion and the gazelle, the hawk and the mouse, each depend on the other for their very existence. It is in these living classrooms that we understand the importance of respect, empathy, and the profound interconnectedness of all life. But ecosystems are not just teachers of coexistence, they are also masters of sustainability. Witness the awe-inspiring cycles of nature as seasons change, and life seamlessly adapts. From the rebirth of spring to the serenity of winter, ecosystems demonstrate the resilience and adaptability that we, too, must embrace.